So in this video, I'm going to take you through email signatures. Most of us have heard about email. What is Gmail? Email signature is just simply means it's a block of text which is put at the end of your email, like you have written a letter and at the end you apply something like a signature. It's not handwritten, but it is, you just type it in your computer and it will appear at that particular mail you want to send. So for email signatures, we are going to use Gmail. Remember, we use Gmail to do Gmail contact, email, mailing, how to create a mail in Gmail. So we are going to just learn how to put a signature on your email. This signature will be of use. First of all, it will help save time. You can put it there generally and you'll just be accessing it. Or for professionalism, like the moment someone sees your email, they will not ask you again for your name or what. It will already be there. For example, I have one here. Let's see how it looks. So this email for professionals, it will be easy to access your work, or even without asking any questions. Someone will just look at your work, and because it will have your position in there, it will have like what someone has to know about you. So for email signatures, we are going to learn how to create one. You can just create one, and on all the emails you'll be writing, it will be on your text. Okay. So for email signature, like we are going to use some of these. We are going to just learn how to create an email signature. Okay. Just come to Google. To create email signatures, just come to, remember you should have Wi-Fi or internet on your PC or phone or whatever gadget you are using. You should remember to have internet to help you access these things. So come to Gmail. Come to Gmail. Then here we are going to the inbox, like what you have in your inbox. Then, like when you come to Gmail, remember you have the tabs here. Compose, that's when you want to write a letter. Inbox is what they have sent for you, some of the messages you have. Sent, meaning you have them. Drafts, those are ones you have not yet sent. These other buttons are here, but remember this other right, on my right, here I have my profile, my Google account. Then here, Google Apps. This is also a messaging app. I just come to settings here. Click on the settings app. So when you click on settings, scroll down. So here in the settings, come to see all settings. Then you come to, when you click see all settings, come to general and scroll through to look for signatures. Just try scrolling through. Like you want to set it permanent so that whenever you write an email, it will be there automatically set. It will just be appearing to you on your mails. So when you scroll through here where there is signature, come to create new signature. Click on create new signature. Then what do you want to be in your signature? What do you want your signature to have? For example, it should have your name, your position or title in a company, your student, your school or university. So like for me, I'll put here my name. You can type there your name. Then we can also put the institute's name. Supposing I'm in Makerere. No, I'm in Gulu University in Northern Uganda. Then you can also maybe add your phone number. No, like the course I'm doing, education, faculty of, the faculty of education. Write it there. Faculty of Education and Humanities. Write it there. Then maybe even your phone number. And your Gmail, your email address. Don't forget your email address where you will be receiving the messages for easy access. And make sure you put in the right information, because some of these things may be sensitive. 2004. I think that's enough. Then after, in fact, you can edit these things. You can improve on the text. You can add a picture, insert an image either from your phone, from your whatsoever, from internet, but it's better maybe put your real image there. So after you have filled in the information, just create. Meaning all your messages you'll be writing will have that email signature. For example, we want to write, come to the subject, so after you have done in the subject, like when you're writing your email, you can either set it automatically or you can be changing according to your needs. Then after, just save the changes. And so when we are writing the email, it will automatically show. It will make sure you have saved the changes you have made. So let's try writing an email I'm sending to my lecturer. His email is here. Where am I writing this email? I want to submit in my coursework. It is the subject. Then here, maybe you can put in dear what, everything you can put it in there. So simply that's what we mean by an email signature. After you have sent, you can close as long as the message has gone. Thank you for listening. Thank you for liking my channel. Till next time.